Good afternoon. My name is Jordan Curtis, and I am a master's program student at Grand Canyon University. And in this video, we are going to be discussing 3 digital learning resources or tools in media that can help your classroom. In the video, I want you to pay attention to where you can access these media resources, the way they work, and how they can assess your students for their needs and your needs as their teacher. So first, we're going to start with the classic platform, YouTube. I understand that a lot of teachers are iffy when it does come to YouTube. However, proven otherwise, YouTube can be very beneficial to your classroom setting based on the needs of research. In the secondary education level, a lot of students are beginning to do a lot of work in the humanities areas such as Englishes, sciences, and social studies and histories, which involves extensive research because it is preparing them for research on the collegiate level. YouTube has YouTube Scholar and block settings in school systems that can allow students to effectively search YouTube for the use of research. YouTube is also very effective for this same reason that I am uploading this video. It can be used for means of teachers incorporating and actually responding to other teachers' questions and helpful resources to help teachers find resources, propaganda such as tools and e-learning. Moving on from YouTube, my next media and technological tool would happen to be Google Classroom. Now, Google Classroom is very great for classroom engagement, classroom monitoring as far as formative, summative, and all assessments and assignments. And it is also great for teachers to actually correspond and interact with their students inside and outside of the classroom. Google Classroom has a platform to where you can create instructions, lessons, assignments, and for students, it allows them to be able to do work such as assignments or their assessments, and it allows Google Scholar, which is another great way of doing research for students in the humanities areas. This is very engaging on a very positive manner because it engages kids with, like I said, interaction between teacher and student, or you can actually set up also formative ways to monitor students' engagement and their learning if they are meeting the objectives, the standards of what the unit or instruction is asking for. And lastly, in the humanities department, my last technological media resource tool to help within the classroom would be an app and developmental resource online called CNN10. This is something I have used in my social studies classrooms for almost 2 years. And this is a great way for students to stay engaged with the outside world, which they can be able to make correlations and connections between their life, what is going on. It is also a great tool for research, and it's also a great tool for students to actually be able to see things that is happening in the world, in their local community, on a lower federal or community aspect of communications within the classroom. And I believe that these 3 platforms are great media resources for any teacher once used in a positive manner in their classroom. I hope that this helps and that you guys are able to use these platforms to further instruct, engage, and promote learning within your space.